4 ways to use castor oil for hair growth and thickness. Castor oil is often hailed as a hair growth remedy. Here are 4 ways you can use this thick oil to get long hair fast. Castor oil nutrients. Castor oil contains as many as 18 fatty acids. It is packed with vitamin E and proteins which are essential for hair growth. Benefits of castor oil. Aside from its nutritional value, castor oil is also antifungal and antibacterial. It can promote scalp and follicle health. Method 1. The first method is most beneficial for bald spots. Dip a cotton ball in castor oil and rub it over the area where your hair growth is sparse. Method 2. Mix 1 part of castor with the 2 parts of coconut oil and massage it on your scalp and length. Cover your hair with a shower cap and shampoo after an hour. Method 3. For this extreme hair growth method, you will need an egg, aloe vera gel, lemon juice and castor oil. Prepare a hair mask with all these ingredients and apply it thoroughly to your hair. Method 4. Prepare a blended mixture of henna powder and fenugreek seed. Meanwhile, heat some coconut oil and pour in the previously powdered ingredients to make a herbal hair growth oil. Conclusion. Besides topical hair treatments, it is also important to eat a healthy diet and follow an active lifestyle. Stress management is also essential for hair health.